Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln 8 equals to capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask the s because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. Ask the s we change by this one. So this one we change by e to the power of negative u du. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative u, and I will put about c. About u we change by s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.